Is your 2016-2019 Hyundai Tucson key fob struggling to lock-unlock your car, or has its range diminished? The most likely culprit is a depleted battery. These fobs use a CR232 3-volt lithium coin battery, readily available at most stores. Replacing it yourself is quick and easy, saving you time and money. No major redesigns affect battery type or access method, and enhanced user guides from Hyundai's official app and website now include step-by-step video tutorials. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Avoid metal tools to prevent static discharge. The process should take only 5 to 10 minutes. If your key fob is a 2018 model, be aware of a potential firmware glitch that could cause premature battery drain. Updating the firmware at a dealership or via Hyundai's digital tools can help. For 2016-2019 Hyundai Tucson models, replacing the key fob battery is a simple process. First, disconnect any metal keychains to avoid shorts. Use a pry tool to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up and ensure it's securely in place. Test the fob's functions, including lock, unlock, and panic button, before reassembling. Reassemble the case by snapping the halves back together. Common mistakes include incorrect battery orientation, which causes immediate failure, and water damage. The fob is rated IPX7 equivalent for water resistance, but keep it dry. The physical key blade functions without battery power. Aftermarket fobs feature solar-assisted batteries or NFC designs. If issues persist, consider professional help.